It works. Sorry, I'm shaky. I caught COVID, and it's taken a lot of my ability to walk away from me. But as you see, shark works. Spray. Spray. Cleans the floor. I like it. Not your Swiffer, but it's a Sharky. And it does what it does. I'd rather have this over a Swiffer any day. Yes, yes.
Alright, the concept here is really great, but the mechanism itself is awful. So here's the vacuum. It literally lifts off the floor every time, and then this is the pad that goes in the bottom, and it clips in. Not very easily, I might add. And it has like a little vacuum pouch, and then the bottom is the pad for mopping, which gets dirty the entire time you're vacuuming. Oh great, see, came right back off again. And so it rocks back and forth. This should be done without your hands, but it doesn't work. Right, the vacuuming, it doesn't suck up anything, and it rocks the entire time. Now, I could deal with that maybe if the mopping part worked, but it sprays and it scrapes the entire plastic, scrapes the entire your whole floor. So here we go. Have a listen. Here's a spray. Okay. Okay, if I just the back end of it. Like I can't just like mop like this. It doesn't scrape my floors. This is awful. This is seriously awful. I'm very disappointed.
So this is the charger. It's a magnetic charger, which is kind of convenient, so you don't rip it out of the wall. But I'm not completely convinced yet if I like this thing or not. It only stays charged for 13 minutes as you're cleaning the hardwood floors. But it does a good job, I guess. But you've only got 13 minutes, that's it. And then this thing's dead. So that's kind of a downer, but I guess it would be okay for quick messes. All in all, I wasn't completely impressed, but if you've got kids for some quick spills, that kind of thing, I guess it would be okay. But if I'm gonna clean my hardwood floors, I'm probably gonna use my bigger vacuum. I doubt I'd ever use this to vacuum my hardwood floors.
Just noticed, I just got this thing yesterday evening about 5 o'clock, but if you notice, you'll see that there's cracks here. Right there. Sorry about the lawnmower. And you notice right here, I don't know if you can see it. See that? Also behind the sticker. But this has definitely been tried, someone's tried to conceal it. This looks like this came from the manufacturer. I like the product, but I am requesting a new one because I do not like damaged items, obviously. Thank you.